Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make rules on Discord. So let's get right into it. First of all, you have to go on your server and then you have to go with server settings. Just simply you have to scroll down and here you have to go with safety setup, and then you have to go on DM and spam protection. Just simply you have to click on edit, and here you will see members must accept rules before they can talk or DM. So here you have to click on this setup button, make it enable and write the description over here. Once you're done with your description, then you have to hit on get started. So guys, this is all you need to do for making rules on Discord. So that's it guys, how to make rules on Discord. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe. See you guys in the next one.